So now I'll be talking about how to handle the mouse related actions. Here there is an important class we're supposed to talk. Very frequently used to ask in interviews also. How do you handle mouse actions? There is action chain is the one important class. So that will be demonstrate how to handle the mouse related actions also, right? So whenever you keep the hand like this, it will be show you the subsequent menu to you. It can be, it doesn't have that, but it has. You see? Yes or no? So firstly, we have to programmatically control this particular window. You can see there are a lot of even though I think what else I've given some set of URLs to you, right? That to handle the mouse certain sites. Let me show you once. I specified some kind of like websites where you will find those examples. Login, web locators. Okay, date, mouse over actions. Yeah. If you go here, HubSpot.com, Gumtree, so MailChimp, even Freshworks, VTiger. Yeah. So these are all, some set of even the test automation practice blogspot.com, where you can find mouse over. Yeah, you see, whenever you keep the cursor near to here, it will be show you the subsequent menu to you. This is the example for the mouse over action. Yes or no? Mouse కరెక్ట్గా వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదా దాన్ని ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి? You go here, Freshworks. Clear? So మీరు ఏదో ఒక సైట్కి మీరు ప్రాపర్గా చేస్తే చాలు. Like, let's suppose we'll take the Freshworks. So you can apply for all the things, whatever other applications are. So firstly, we are going with, same from the Selenium, import WebDriver. So from the Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by from import time. See, wherever it is not highlighted, you just try to click on syntax so that it will be enable it. Yeah. So now this thing next is that, we have to locate the driver, WebDriver. So where exactly driver is equal to WebDriver dot h, where is supposed to have yeah. Then you try to be driver dot get, where we are going to work with there is a site called as this Freshworks. So whenever we deals with especially mouse related actions, import below modules to handle mouse over actions. That is from the Selenium dot WebDriver import ActionChains. Are you seeing? There is a one particular module is called as ActionChains will be the module. So without which we cannot able to handle the mouse over actions. So that's a point to be understand. Okay. So once you have loaded this, obviously we are going to sleep sometimes. Time dot sleep. You just try to be 5 seconds, isn't it? So firstly, code to locate tab. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ సైట్ లో దీన్ని ట్యాబ్ అని అంటాం దీన్ని. ఫస్ట్లీ ఈ ట్యాబ్ మీదకి వెళ్తే ఆ తర్వాత ఈ కర్సర్ పనిచేస్తుందో లేదో చెక్ చేయగలం మనం. We have to locate this particular tab. So for that we supposed to be inspected, isn't it? So where the tab is going to be identified, there is a ID is equal to global hyphen menu hyphen item hyphen 0. Yes or no? So మీకు డౌట్ అనిపిస్తే ఇక్కడ మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Like, you can just write it. Just try to be input is the name of the HTML tag. So where at the rate symbol, where name is equal to ID is equal to ID is equal to what is an ID? What is an ID? Yes, sir. Yeah, global hyphen menu item hyphen 0. Correct? Input at the rate ID is equal to global hyphen menu hyphen item hyphen 0. Input కాదా అది? Yeah, right. So ఇది కరెక్ట్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది. So just go here, try to be take either X path or else you can take with a, so where tab is equal to, and the tab identify చేస్తున్నట్టు. It's a tab is a locator or object which is locate that, you just try to be driver dot find underscore element within which by dot ID where ID is global hyphen menu hyphen item hyphen 0. Yes or no? It is going to be identify the corresponding tab. So that it is going to be holding by that, right? So now I'm going to create an action now. Action object we have to create. ACT is equal to action chains for which we have to pass the driver. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డ్రైవర్ ని మనం యాక్షన్ చైన్స్ కి పారామీటర్ గా పాస్ చేయాలి. Isn't it? So now ACT dot move to element. We have to reach to a particular element. Move underscore to underscore element is the method for which we have to pass the tab. ఇక్కడ ట్యాబ్ అనేది ఏంటి? Products, or else you can write a products tab. ఇది మన ఇష్టం. ఇది ఆ వెబ్సైట్ లో ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ట్యాబ్ కి కర్సర్ వెళ్ళాలి అంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి లొకేటెడ్ బై యూజింగ్ ఐడి. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ మనం సింపుల్ గా ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ట్యాబ్ అని రాస్తాం. ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ట్యాబ్ డాట్ క్లిక్ isn't it? Dot perform. This is the function or method which will be allow you to be click onto the corresponding place where the products tab to be clicked. మనం ఇట్లా వెళ్ళంగానే అది క్లిక్ అవ్వాలి. అది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం క్లియర్ గా. సో వేర్ యూ సపోజ్ టు బి టేక్ లిటిల్ టైమ్ సో దట్ యూ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్. మనకు అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అనేది మనకి క్లియర్ గా తెలియాలి. సో కొద్దిగా టైం ఎక్కిస్తే మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది క్లియర్ గా. Isn't it? Right. So let us do that. Let me execute now. ఈ వెబ్సైట్ ఓపెన్ అయింది. Huh? Oh. Hmm. So it is visible clearly, right? So obviously, can you do for the platform? Can you write? Can you write for the platform and as well as resources also? ఈ రెండింటికి రాయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ ట్యాబ్ ని మనము లుక్అప్ చేయాలి, అంటే ఓవర్లుక్ చేయాలి. Then obviously it will be happen. So can you do that for the platform as well as resources? I'm giving this particular program to you. Apply for the resources and platform tabs. So మీరు కరస్పాండింగ్ దాని యొక్క కరస్పాండింగ్ వెబ్ లొకేటర్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో స్పామ్, but global underscore menu underscore item underscore one is the ID for that. For the resources, it is two. Only 0, 1, 2, 3 tabs మీద మార్చాడు. Either you can write an XPath or either you can write with a ID locator. That's your wish.